finally back on the truck. I've been crazy busy, had a bunch of stuff going on at work, had to do a bunch of engine jobs. So I haven't touched the truck in like 2 weeks, which kind of sucks. But I got it in last night, and let me show you what we got. I welded the last little pieces of the floor in, and seam sealed everything, and then painted the floor with that Eastwood's, like their version of Pour 15 or whatever. So that's all done. Sealed all the perimeter. So what I got left to do is over in that corner, if you can see it or not, there's a hole. I don't know what that's for, but I got to weld that hole up. And then the inner lip on this windshield, you can see it's pretty tore up right there. So I'm going to weld some strips in here and get that all buttoned up. I got a piece already made, which is over here in the paint booth, as you can see. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set that in. What I'll do is I'll clamp that guy in place and weld it in, and then I'll make the next piece for this curve here. So let me turn the music back on so I can work to the fullest of my abilities, and I will return with an update. Right on. Okay, so got the bottom of the window channel welded in. So that is complete. And the last piece is going to be that, I don't know what that was, maybe like a dome light or something they had over in that corner over there. Right there. So I am going to take a break, go get something to eat, and then come back to this and get that last hole welded in. And we'll come back again.
However, in my particular line of work, I seldom need more than this.
Hello. Well, I was able to get the window channel buttoned up. So that is no longer an issue. And the whatever that round hole is over there, that is welded up. So you can see the inside of the window channel, all new metal. I mean, it's all going to get fiberglassed in, or fiberglassed over anyway when the bodywork gets done. Chris is on vacation, and I think that when the old boy gets back, we'll probably try to set apart a weekend where we can get this thing done. Or not done, but at least get the, come on, camera. At least get the bodywork going. So that was the last piece of metal that the cab needed. So all of the rusty metal is cut out. It has all new metal in the rusty spots. So moving forward, I got to weld in the Captain Fab steering box adapter, and the front frame horns on this frame are kind of smashed up. They were like that when I got them. So I bought some other ones off of eBay. And those are in much better condition than the ones on my frame. So possibly tomorrow I will start doing the frame horns and then do the Captain Fab steering box adapter. And that will be the vast majority of welding completed on this one. So I'll tag you back in when I get some more work done. All right, later.